Hey there, welcome to today's video where we tackle a common problem that many programmers face. The problem revolves around trying to automatically translate text within images without extracting the text. Specifically, we're aiming to do this for comics. Our attempt at using Google Translate through Selenium automation hit a roadblock as the translated text wasn't being recognized, unlike when manually using the browser. Suspicion arose that Selenium might be the culprit, among other potential causes. How do we overcome this translation challenge? The solution lies in connecting Selenium to your Chrome browser directly, as Google might be detecting Selenium's presence. By starting Chrome with a debugging port, we avoid detection issues. In Linux, you can achieve this by running Google Chrome Remote Debugging Port (3141) in the terminal, with 3141 representing the port number. Following this setup, a few tweaks in the code, like handling the absence of the cookies button more gracefully, ensure a smoother translation process. Remember, adapt the port number accordingly and give it a go. To implement the solution, utilize the provided code snippet with Selenium and Chrome options. This code configuration establishes a direct connection to the Chrome browser, avoiding potential detection hurdles by Google Translate. By incorporating these settings and adjustments, you pave the way for successful image-text translation within your automation workflow. Remember, the devil's in the details, so pay attention to each step for a seamless experience. In conclusion, we've delved into a nifty solution for translating text within images using Selenium and Chrome. By following these steps, you'll bypass potential detection issues and enhance your image translation capabilities. Now that you're equipped with this insight, go ahead and elevate your translation game. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and drop a comment below. Until next time, happy coding, and may your projects be as bug-free as a picnic in December.